Happy Monday, great rising. Wishing you all a great start of the new week. Let's see what our card of affirmation has to tell us today. Our message of the day. A bold attempt is half success. Let's see what it says on the back. In life, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Only by constantly making mistakes can you find your shortcomings and correct them until you become the best version of yourself. Mistakes. It's quite challenging, this word, making mistakes. I do indeed agree. By making mistakes, can you find your shortcomings? It is the best way to identify these, and mistakes help you in general reflect about life. Your life in general. We tend to avoid making mistakes because it often contributes to negative things. But ironically, we need to make mistakes, as again, it is the best way to learn about yourself, your shortcomings, and to reflect about life. If you consider it as a shortcoming, once you have identified these, you can at least correct them and become the best version of yourself, to build yourself constructively, working on your shortcomings and acknowledging your strengths. It is very, very difficult to avoid mistakes. Always keep in mind, if you made these, don't pressure yourself too much. Learn from it, acknowledge it, and just value the lesson. Okay? Wishing you a great day. Take care.